Mrs. Aisha had been class teacher in SS2 for a year now. It was third term and she was really looking forward to knowing how the class had performed. Their individual results seemed good and some students had done really well. She was really impressed. She looked through each result and noted where each student did well, where they needed improvement, and noted this in the comment section of the report card. Just like report cards, the records of each department in an organization is recorded separately. But in order to know the performance of the whole organization, these records need to be combined. The records are combined in the departmental trading profit or loss account. The aim of this account is to help the business owner to know which departments are performing well and those that are not performing well. Just like the class teacher needs to know which students are doing well and which students might need help. The trading profit or loss account starts by showing the opening stock at the beginning of the year. All purchases made are added and interdepartmental transfers are added. Goods bought by one department might be sold to another department. This is known as interdepartmental transfers. Expenses are now removed to get the profit at the end of the year. Expenses include rents, salaries, and any other service paid for by the organization. Since expenses by the organizations are not separated, there is a need to share the expenses to the different departments. Expenses can be shared using the sales made by each department. For example, if the total sales is 500,000 and the department A made a sales of 150,000, the expenses ratio for department A is 150,000 to 500,000. Expenses can also be shared using the floor space used by each department. Expenses can be shared equally or based on the number of items sold by each department. Mrs. Aisha finished working on the report cards and had taken note of the areas where the students were doing well and the areas where they needed improvement. She was sure the next class teacher would find the information really useful. Thanks for coming for my class. See you in my next class, guys.